Hey, welcome back. Today we'll be unboxing this. There's no box here. Nevertheless, we'll be testing this thing out. And what this thing is are a pair of headphones. So let's unbox it. You get a charging cable. You get the user manual, which I don't think that you will need it so much. And you get the headphones itself. The headphones is the P47 wireless. Reminds me of the Beat Solos. Yes, the Beat Solos kind of look like those. Yeah, there you go. It feels cheap. How about the clamping force? Clamping force is fine. So these are not very expensive. These are around 5 ringgit, 4 ringgit, which translates to around $1 US. So this is very cheap. It's from AliExpress. So let's just see what the controls are on the headphones. We have the play pause button here, or answer call, power button, volume up down, track previous track, volume up button, next track, and the mode button. The mode button is used to switch between modes. These headphones, even though they are cheap, it has 3 modes if I'm not mistaken. One mode is the Bluetooth mode, the second mode is the FM radio mode, and the third mode is, I think, is the micro SD. So it packs a lot of things in one very cheap package. So let's just pair it up to my phone. Let me just turn on the Bluetooth, turn on the headphones itself. There you go. When it turns on, has that blue light right there. No left and right indicators, so never mind. So I've paired it up to my phone. There you go, there, 47. Let's open up Spotify and let's play a song. Let's play Out of Time by The Weeknd. I'm gonna say right now, the sound is decent. The bass is definitely there. Yeah, the bass is definitely there. The highs are definitely there too. The mids are definitely there too. But there is one big problem with these headphones. They are in freaking mono. Yes, they are in mono. Even though they're in mono, I guess they don't sound that bad. Yeah, it's a shame though. It's a shame that they're in mono, because they sound decent for the price. Yeah, the only thing that's, yeah, they're again in mono. How many times should I repeat mono and mono? Let's just try the next feature, which is the FM radio. To switch the modes, you just press the mode button once, I guess. Let me just try it out. Yes. Okay, press the mode button once, it switches the mode to FM radio now. What I can say is the reception is poor. It barely pick up any stations. You can auto scan by using this button here. It will start scanning for all the frequencies. If you can pick them up, they'll pick them up. If the headphones can't pick them, then you're stuck with whatever frequency that this headphone picks up. The FM radio works, yeah. It works. It's just that the reception is not that great. So that's that. And I forgot to mention the headphone has a 3.5 millimeter jack here, which says a lot about this cheap thing. Even the most expensive phones nowadays don't have a 3.5 millimeter jack, and something that cost $1 like this has a headphone jack. So whatever. Okay, so that wraps it up. I guess that wraps up my testing and unboxing of this of this P47 wireless headphones. Do I recommend getting this? No, of course no. First of all, it's in mono. If it's in mono, sorry, I immediately eliminate it from the recommended list. So no, I don't recommend it. You can. I mean, if you are so inclined, yeah, please go ahead, purchase this for your kids, maybe, right? Yeah, it will be a fun toy for your kids. If you don't want to get them something so expensive, get them something cheap like this, which has Bluetooth. I have no idea how many hours it will last. But by the way, I won't recommend it if you want to listen to actual music. But giving this to your kids as a startup headphones, as a gateway headphones, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.